Hi everyone, and welcome to the first video in the series from myself, Claudia Davies, a knitter and textile designer at SPUD Works, teaching you how to grow your own material from just tea, sugar and kombucha basically. So this short 5-minute video will just be walking you through the simple steps of being able to take some simple everyday household materials and growing your own material from tea. I call it tea leather or plant leather, and it's obviously completely degradable, it's safe, and if you follow the steps correctly and you keep it in a safe environment, it's completely harmless. And it can be used for anything that you would use fabric for. So if you're sewing anything, if you usually partake in upholstery or making things with fabrics, like obviously you wouldn't make a tea leather curtain set. However, there have been some fashion designers or people that make clothes making comments on degradable materials and what could possibly be the future of materials. Will we be wearing completely natural, sustainable clothes in the future, or will it be something else that's completely futuristic? I just think it's a really fascinating subject. So here is a little tutorial for how to make this leather, and I hope you enjoy. So to start, you'll need a bottle of kombucha. This is 500 milliliters, but it doesn't matter too much of your quantities. Just try to make sure it's original and doesn't have any flavourings. Don't worry, if you don't have this, it can be replaced by apple cider vinegar. Then 1 container, any size or shape you wish to grow your plant leather. 6 black tea bags and 6 tablespoons of sugar. You'll also need some cling film and a tablespoon, and 1 full boiled kettle. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our 6 English black tea bags and spread it around the container, and then pour the boiling water in, and then give it a good old mix around, like you're making a really strong cup of tea. Then we're going to add 6 tablespoons of our sugar. Now the measurements don't exactly matter, it doesn't have to be precise, we're just basically following sugar, tea and kombucha and water. Give that a good old mix, make sure all the sugar dissolves whilst it's nice and hot, and then we're going to leave it to cool at room temperature. Then once you've waited 20 minutes or so to wait for it to cool down to room temperature, just remove all the tea bags, put them to one side or pop them on the compost. Next we take our kombucha. This is an Equinox brand, or original taste, no flavourings or additives, really great ingredients for you, naturally good in your diet from time to time anyway, feeds your gut with great bacteria. And just add it to the mixture and recycle the glass. Next we take our cling film, unroll about 2 stretches of the container size, and then make sure all the edges are really tight so it's sealed in, and then we're pretty much good to go. And there you have it. You have your sealed mixture from tea, sugar, kombucha, water, ready to go. And this is an example of one that I grew last year, and it took about 3-4 months to grow. And you can see it's really strong. It's definitely got some give. It's quite thick, but quite translucent, which is why I wanted to make a lighting series, which I probably will still do. So keep your eyes peeled on social media for the hashtag plant leather or tea leather, probably both. And we'll see what we get making with these. I really want to make a lampshade and see what the light looks like when it shines through. So see you soon. Thanks for joining. Bye.